Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a really quick side dish? Well, you're gonna love this Mahatma cilantro lime jasmine rice. It is really tasty and super convenient. So this little pouch cooks up in about 90 seconds in the microwave, or you can also pop it into a skillet quickly and warm it up. But it's already cooked and ready to go, which is awesome. So these are perfect as the base of a little power bowl or as a side dish, and it has a really delicious flavor. So I love cilantro and lime together, and with this rice it is super tasty and it's naturally flavored and non-GMO, so it's just a really nice option to keep in the pantry for a busy day. So this jasmine rice heats really well. The grains of rice are separated and they are perfectly cooked. They are not overly mushy or anything like that, so you get a really nice texture in your dish with the added bonus of the cilantro and lime flavoring, so it's awesome. So if you're looking for a really quick side dish or a base for a meal that already has a lot of flavor, then I would definitely recommend this rice pouch from Mahatma. It's really tasty, and that's my point of view.